So here's kind of our beach day. We pulled up at like 2:30, got a parking spot right in front, which was really great. Parking is free at the public beaches, so that is fantastic. We had a really chill day at the hotel at first, so enjoyed some swimming over there. We've jumped into the ocean. We've taken the kids out as far as they can stand going. Rented an umbrella. Just to help keep ourselves cool, we'll show you where we actually rented. It's right here on the beach. Got great reviews on Google. Really excited about that. And we all at some point have gone out searching for seashells and got quite the collection back. So that has been super, super fun. Lots of fun, very cool to do. And we've even got some sandcastles going. We've been getting some good sandcastle action. There are a few things that I cannot stress enough for you to have a great time. First off is that sunscreen. Have it before you go. Make sure it has time to actually set before you head off into the ocean over there, and bring it with you. We are in the reapply stage right now, which is where Mrs. Teacups and the kids are. They're out reapplying. We do it about every 2 hours. We reapply that sunscreen because this California sun is no joke, and especially here on the beach, you get it double. You get it from the sky and then it reflects off the ocean. It's madness. You will get burned. Make sure you're wearing that sunscreen. We've also got the floppy hats. I think during the live stream I took it off, but I was also under this umbrella for most of it. So have your ugly floppy Costco sun hats wherever you happen to get it from. We get ours from Costco. Also make sure you've got some eye protection. I've got my sunglasses over here. Kids have sunglasses that have kind of been off and on. But make sure that you're protecting yourself. And the umbrella is a great way to just stay in the shade and hang out. Last tip that you really need to know, make sure that somebody is staying with your stuff. If you're over here bringing like a pack, a set of towels, laying your keys down, your wallet down, whatever, don't leave that alone on the beach. Don't leave your keys alone on the beach. Don't leave your wallet alone on the beach. We actually don't bring anything more than we absolutely need to get here and back. We don't bring anything extra for just that reason. You can bring in coolers. I mean, it's a public beach. You can bring in whatever you want to eat, whatever you want to drink. I think there are a couple of rules. You can find those on the website of the beach you're going to, but don't leave it alone. Make sure that somebody is hanging out with your stuff. And just be aware that sand gets absolutely everywhere. So if you've got some valuables that you really want to keep intact, bring some Ziploc bags that seal shut and keep those things sealed at all times. Open it, get what you need, close it immediately. Use it like I'm actually holding this on a gimbal right now. Use it, and then it is going straight back inside of the Ziploc bag. Just a couple tips, make your beach day as fun as it possibly can be. Hope you guys have a great time. Let us know if you do. We are interested in your family trips and just making sure you have a great time. So tag us if these tips helped any of you. Also, make sure you have so much water. We have a whole case, a Costco case of water in our van. We each have water bottles here, and we've got a couple of spare ones just to make sure that we're not running out of water. Really easy to get dehydrated here at the beach. Seems a little weird because, you know, but don't drink that. That's gross.